Why does your scanner show the P2746 engine code? What does it mean? P2746 is a diagnostic trouble code for intermediate shaft speed sensor B, circuit range or performance. The P2746 engine code indicates that TCM or PCM has detected an erratic or inaccurate signal from the speed sensor, preventing proper gear shifting. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: defective speed sensor, contaminated sensor, wiring and connector issues, low or dirty transmission, fluid, internal module failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Mercedes-Benz, Subaru, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.